And what's up there, folks? Stampede Valkyrie coming back at you again with another video update. I've got it greased, I've got it cleaned. It took a little bit longer than I thought it was going to take. Had to repair some items here, a little bit of glues to let some stuff dry. But here it is. From the front angle of it, you can see the reason why they took those silly mirrors out in the front, because it does kind of block the center flash. What is it? It's kind of pointless, the AeroDynic does on these, well, especially those with alleys. So at this point here, I've got the front configured like CA. However, the back, we'll get up here and just do a quick tour. Very quiet. She's greased up and humming along nicely. My alleys flash when they want to. And the back, and let's see if I can get down and get a good, hold on a second here, one hand, folks. There we go. So it's kind of like a clap pattern outside or inside out, but I kind of changed the timing a little bit and kind of made it like, it's almost like a burst. Kind of like that. Anyway, I'll keep this short. The 537 is chugging along, doing what the 537 normally does, which is not flash evenly. I do have the alleys tied to that as well. And so the alley lights will blink too, as the domes I have for it don't have cutouts for alleys. But that's it in a nutshell. I'm going to keep this one even shorter than the last one. That's where I'm going to end it here. I've got to work on the domes, and I'll post more when I've got more.